So our class strength ranges from 20 students to 40 students. However, even if we have that much of strength, we ensure that there is personal attention to every student, because if personal attention is not given, the student is not confident of asking doubts to the teacher. So the culture that we maintain in Ardent is we have a very friendly kind of professors. That is what we also discuss in our meetings, that we need to be extremely approachable to the students. So students get that leverage, or they have that privilege to call that professor, ask doubts, get their doubts cleared at any point of time. So it may so happen that our actual professors are not in town, or they are busy in some other lecture, and students are not able to approach them directly for clearing their doubts. But we also have a back-end team who helps students in solving their doubts, helping them one-to-one. In fact, students are privileged to come again in the class apart from their lecture time, sit there, solve their sums, ask doubts if anybody is available there from our back-end team.